अस्सलाम-ओ-अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। प्रेमी एक्सपो चैनल में खुश आमदीद। रेस्पेक्ट व्यूवर्स, कैसे उम्मीद है सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं जर्नल साइंस के बारे में कुछ सवालात शेयर किया जा रहा हूँ जो आने वाले टेस्टों में आप लोगों के लिए मददगार साबित होगा। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज renewable source of energy? Right option is B, wind. Question number 2, which of the following bone is found in human leg? Right option is A, femur. Question number 3, leaves are green due to presence of dash in a plant. Right option is C, chlorophyll. Question number 4, bauxite is an ore of which metal? Right option is A, aluminium. Question number 5, which of the following is pH value 7? Right option is A, pure water. Question number 6, what will happen to weight of a man on moon? Right option is A, degrees. Question number 7, what is the symbol of iron? Right option is B, Fe. Question number 8, rubber is produced from? Right option is A, tree. Question number 9, who discovered phase line? Right option is D, Alexander Fleming. Question number 10, what is laughing gas? Right option is C, nitrous oxide. Question number 11, which gas is used to extinguish fire? Right option is A, carbon dioxide. Question number 12, the fourth state of matter is? Right option is C, plasma. Question number 13, which of the following is a mixed fertilizer? Right option is B, NPK. Question number 14, cow milk is a rich source of? Right option is A, vitamin A. Question number 15, typhoid is a disease of? Right option is C, intestine. Question number 16, the tooth with 3 roots is? Right option is A, molar. Question number 17, the weight of an average human male brain is about? Right option is B, 50,000 gms. Question number 18, water is maximum density at? Right option is B, 4 centigrade. Question number 19, dash is good conductor of electricity? Right option is D, copper. Question number 20, 32 degree Fahrenheit dash degree Celsius. Right option is B, 0. Question number 21, what is the largest organ in the human body? इंसानी जिस्म का सबसे बड़ा आजू कौन सा है? Right option is B, skin. Question number 22, what is the percentage of nitrogen gas in air? हवा में नाइट्रोजन गैस का फीसद कितना है? Right option is 78, 78%. Question number 23, the rod cell of retina are responsible for vision in? रेटिना के छड़ी की खुली बसारत के लिए कब जिम्मेदार है? राइट ऑप्शन इज बी, डिम लाइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24, द स्टडी अबाउट celestial object of the universe is called? कायनात के आसमानी अशिया का मुतालिया क्या कहलाता है? राइट ऑप्शन इज ए, एस्ट्रोनॉमी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, the brightest star visible in the sky without a telescope is? दूरबीन के बगैर आसमान पर नजर आने वाला सबसे रोशन सितारा है? राइट ऑप्शन इज डी, Sirius.